Coaching in the field of child welfare is growing in both recognition and popularity for one primary reason: it works.
Skills-based coaching in child welfare is so timely because social workers have always been and are currently required to learn new practices and skills to use with families and children in their practice. We have learned that these types of skills and behaviors can simply not be taught in the classroom alone. Classroom training often ends after the class. Coaching extends that period of learning and creates almost a way for accountability to increase that skill and to use that skill in practice in the field. The Northern California Training Academy at UC Davis Extension offers coaching for new and experienced social workers, supervisors, and leaders within the field of child welfare. Coaching can be individual or group-based and includes a 3-stage process of goal setting, action, and review.
There are several benefits of coaching for the learner. Coaching provides a safe environment for the learner to take risks and make mistakes. It enhances the learner's ability to identify problems and solutions, and coaching improves the learner's skills, behaviors, and performance. In addition, the use of formalized coaching can benefit an organization because it creates an intrinsically motivating environment, improves relationships among workers, and increases organizational performance.
Here at the Academy, we are really looking forward to increased opportunities for coaching for social workers and supervisors within our training program. For more information about incorporating coaching into your practice or your organization, please visit our website. There's an entire section devoted to coaching with relevant resources, including our publication, The Coaching Toolkit for Child Welfare Practice. We also encourage you to enroll in one of our coaching institutes or to contact us directly.